Ndithenqa
Kuthena pha kumo mano senza isikhokho umuntu wakhe behamba ngepolo photo stoko getting past aziwa nalipondo no convos only sex and sawoye ne inbox DJing this shit like bendihamba no Tafro she be lying ngapha kuwe mano see to indoors she will never leave the stick no bimvula secotos too hot
eyona nto ndiyithandayo ne excuse ngongcola guys I'm sorry eyona nto ndiyithandayo is that these are all people from East London bro. Everyone sounds different dog. That's what I love about my hometown. All of us have our own special flavors because our Nonxalelo Excess sounds like Vision and our Nonxalelo Vision sounds like Risky. Tepani in, Machita. Tepani in.
me like a seat to Ricos uthandi ice kumushange hip hop of course you a red and a nambi no doors usakumbu phundu yeka nishaye ngokokos fuck off past the street ngathi awulala ngekokos I don't give a fuck about bitches who gossip shit aside kithi wamayidura ndo Lucas zange nibeseka mside wawuphuma me
Wena don't look, I'm not saying best circumcised. Join that reaction. Join that reaction, what I say? Yeah. Nah, this is hard, Machita. This is crazy. This is fire, bruh. This is fire.
Futhi tama qethuka belifaka umazi adibana no vibes then I realize kwavuka pride andizambi event asikasazi ngekho organize I was in the students I rap naye ndabona ities fuck hip hop vula iphusi kunuke otherwise fuck every word when I'm cold and fully standardized chichi bala lam ngathi ngicabise nje khalamani ngathi suka mdantsana amatheremondo athi ngkwayimani bulethendwa ngqina lang iPhone tshela nyantsapkela na Twitter and have to cut ties thingi high five fumana nembundu 55
uxabene uRisky asendizincedile ngabikho kule episode. Amadoda I have a point to prove kule episode. Whoa.
But in the 5 amankazana na 35 nandibulala inamba so retire na 45 I was dope nangona ngicula street njengo 69 dama yaphalala smoking drugs then I sell wine kuthena pha kumo mano zenza isikhokho umuntu wakhe behamba ngepolo photos stoko getting punch aziwa nalipondo no convos only sex and sawoye ne inbox
Street Cred Cyphers Machita. Pako YouTube. If you just go on YouTube, vele search Street Cred. Vele search Street Cred live Cyphers nizayibona le way.